Hello everyone and welcome back in Hotel Management lecture videos. This is Dushyant Singh, Assistant Professor BBDU. You are watching lectures of Food Production Semester 3rd. Subject code is BHM 2301 and the lecture is Garnish and Accompaniments. What is garnish or what is garnishing? It is the way of decorating the food or beverages so that it is aesthetically appealing for the guest or customer. It works on the plate. Garnishing also harmonizes color, flavor, taste of the main dish. Chopped herbs or small twig of herbs, leafy vegetables, twirls of carrots or tomatoes, swirls of fresh cream, fruit glaze, chopped nuts, seedless berries, and lemon zest or slices are used for garnishing. Desserts are garnished with dry fruits, pressed fruit zest, glazes, roasted or candied nuts, frostings, chocolate curls, chocolate coated buds, or small pieces of sugar rolls. Drinks like cocktail and mocktail are garnished using fruit pieces and zest, mint leaves, and caster sugar. Milk-based drinks are garnished mostly with fruit pieces, cherries, chocolate, or nuts. Do's and don'ts of the food garnishing. The following are some important do's and don'ts to be understood in the food garnishing. Place it where it seems just perfect. Contrast color scheme work best for garnishing. Do not overdo the garnishing, this overshadow the main food. Do not reuse the garnish and avoid being too elaborate. What is the accompaniment? There are many dishes that comes along with the accompaniments. These accompaniments are complement the main food and enrich its taste. It provides an aesthetic value to the main dish. The accompanying food or beverage itself can have a garnish of its own. An accompaniment can be inside the main dish or in separate bowl. The following are few different types of accompaniments: sausage and dips, pickles, dressings, chips and veggies, salads, gravy, beverages such as soft drink or wines, and breads. Popular food items with their accompaniments. The following are the few popular food items with their garnishing and accompaniments. Soups. Garnishes are chopped cilantro, fresh leaf of basil, croutons, cream swirls, and accompaniments are salads, bread, crispy starters, soft roll, hard roll, lavash, loaf, different types of soup sticks. Bouillabaisse, the garnish is chopped herb, and the accompaniments are country bread slices spread with roulis, a spicy mayonnaise. Farino spaghetti, the garnish is fresh basil leaves and the accompaniment is grated cheese, pepper powder and Neapolitan tomato sauce. Veg or non-veg burger, the garnish is non-essential but the accompaniments are potato, sweet potatoes, potato chips, french fries, aerated drinks or ale. Indian snacks, idli, vada and dhokla, etc. The garnishes are chunk of clarified butter with mustard and cumin seed and curry leaf with red chili. And the accompaniments are coconut, cilantro, green chili chutney. Idli and vada are often accompanied with lentil curry called as sambar. Indian onion or chili fritters known as pakoras. So garnishes is not essential but the tomato sauce and hot and sour chutneys go as accompaniments. Mutton, chicken or veg biryani, different types of biryani. Garnishing is chopped coriander and caramelized onion strips and the accompaniments are liquid gravy with lemon wedges and onion tomato cucumber salad in curd and different types of raita and liquid gravy with lemon wedges and onion tomato cucumber salad in curd and different types of raita and salads. Indian one dish meal: pav bhaji or pav bread or bhaji spicy stew. Pav is garnished with butter and bhaji with chopped cilantro and butter, and the accompaniments are onion, tomato, cilantro salad with lemon wedges and mango pickles. Barbecued or grilled beef or game meat garnished with herbs, and accompaniment is sauces of different types. Mostly are brown sauces known as juice. Roast beef garnished with herbs and butter, and accompaniments are horseradish sauce. Fruit salads garnished with castor sugar, and accompaniments is yogurt. Irish stew accompaniments are Worcestershire sauce and pickled red cabbage, and garnish is herbs. Poulet grille americana means American grilled chicken, garnish is herbs and butter, and accompaniments are addition of grilled dices of tomatoes, mushroom, capsicum and potatoes. Sage and onion stuffed goose, garnish is pieces or strips of salad vegetable, and accompaniments are apple sauce and roast gravy. Fromage assorted means assorted cheese, garnishes are castor sugar or cream cheese, and accompaniments are celery, radish, watercress and crackers, biscuits and different types of grapes. Veg or non-veg stews, garnishes chopped fresh coriander, and accompaniments are steamed rice or Indian breads. Ice cream, garnishes vanilla, chocolate, raspberry, strawberry sauce, chopped nuts, colorful candies and rose petals, and the accompaniments are waffle sticks or strips. Cheese and wine pairings. Different types of cheese are paired with wine. There are no stringent rules for which wine goes with which cheese, but one must observe the following guidelines while pairing wine with cheeses. Select wine and cheese originating from the same region. Dessert wine accompanying the dessert might be sweeter than the dessert itself. Cheeses go well with wine of contrast taste. So these are different types of wine and their accompaniment of cheese. Champagne brut or extra brut dry. Cheeses are brie and camembert. Champagne shake, demi shake or doux. Cheeses are cheddar, gouda and parmesan. Shiraz goes with Cambozola. Red Bordeaux goes with cheddar cheese. Chenin Blanc goes with blue cheese or camembert. Pinot Blanc goes with baby Swiss or brie, camembert and feta cheese. Cabernet Sauvignon goes with blue, cheddar cheese, gorgonzola, gouda and parmesan cheese. Cabernet Franc goes with blue cheese, brie, cheddar, gorgonzola and goat cheese. Chantilly goes with mozzarella and parmesan, and port wine goes with blue cheese and gorgonzola. Different types of chocolate and wine pairing. Lighter chocolates contain more milk-based product and less chocolate. Chocolates with light and elegant taste are paired with light-bodied wine, the one with more bitter taste and paired with intense flavor, full-bodied wines. Different types of food and their usual accompaniments are: grapefruit accompaniments is castor sugar. Oysters accompaniments is cayenne peppers, Tabasco sauce, lemon, peppermill, brown bread and butter. Melon accompaniments is castor sugar, ginger powder. Caviars goes with hot butter breakfast. Smoked salmon accompaniments are ground pepper and bread and butter. Foie gras accompaniments are hot breakfast toast. Tomato juice accompaniment is WC sauce. Puri soups goes well with croutons. Bourse à la Russe accompaniments is sour cream, duck forcemeat. French onion soup goes with sliced brown bread. Potard bonne goes with fruits or lavash. Minestrone soup goes with parmesan cheese. Petit marmite goes with shepherd's or Parmesan cheese. Fried fish goes with tartar sauce and lemon slices or lemon butter sauces, different types. Fish orals, accompaniment is tomato sauce. Grilled fish, accompaniment is tartar sauce and hollandaise sauce. Poached fish goes with melted butter, hollandaise sauce or egg sauce. Cold salmon goes with cucumber salad and hollandaise sauce. Fish meuniere goes with tomato sauce or noisette butter. Cold lobster accompaniments are mayonnaise. Roasted beef goes with Yorkshire pudding or roasted gravies. Lamb roast goes with mint sauce or roast gravy. Roasted mutton goes with onion sauce or roast gravy or red currant jelly. Roast pork goes with apple sauce, roasted gravy, and sage and onion stuffing. Roasted veal goes with grilled bacon, roasted gravy, and herb stuffing. Hot roast venison goes with red currant jelly or roast gravy. Cold roast venison goes with Cumberland sauce. Boiled mutton goes with mashed turnip or mustard. Boiled fresh beef goes with spinach, Madeira wine, or peach sauce. Grilled ham goes with sauce will appear on the menu, mostly apple sauce. Cold meats or cold cuts accompanied by relishes and chutney and mustard. Roast chicken goes well with bread sauce, roast potatoes, roast gravies. Roasted duck goes with sage and onion stuffing, roast gravy and apple sauce. Roasted turkey goes with herb stuffing, roasted gravy and chestnut stuffing. Hot vegetables goes with hollandaise sauce, melted butter. Cold vegetables goes with vinaigrette sauce and mayonnaise sauce. These are the different types of accompaniments as per the French classical menus. Athos or caviar. Caviar is the roux of the sturgeon fish and accompaniments are white of egg, chopped onion, parsley, lemon brown bread and butter. Next one is potage. Potage accompaniments are fruits, French bread in oil and grilled. Next one is oeuf or egg dishes. Omelette served folded, bonne femme with mushroom and bacon, espagnole with tomato, potato, onion, grilled tomato, hash brown potato, slice of fruit, toast, preserves, cruet, tomato ketchup. These are the accompaniments for egg dishes. And Perignon means pasta dishes. Bolognese pasta is goes with minced beef in sauce. Milanese tomatoes and garlic mushroom. Napoleon tomato sauce and cheese and grated Parmesan cheese. Poisson means fish dishes. Vegetable if given are served on the side dish on the top left. Homard morne means cheese sauce. Homard cardinal goes with mushroom and lobster sauce. And the entree means stews, goes with pickled red cabbage. Rotisserie are roasted items, goes with roasted gravy, sage and onion stuffing and apple sauce. Different types of roasted items like beef, pork, goes with roasted gravy and apple sauce. Legumes goes with cold asparagus goes with vinaigrette and hot is goes with hollandaise or maltaise sauce. Savory dishes are goes with Worcestershire sauce, salt, pepper, and on toast, quiche, fritters, and souffle. Fromage goes with assorted of cheese, butter, celery in tumbler on ice, caster sugar for cream cheese, assorted cracker biscuit, fruits and salad garnish, walnuts, radish, watercress, and cruet. And desserts are goes with 2 finger balls cold of grape, palm of finger, caster sugar in degrader, and salt for nuts and extra napkins are good with fruits and nuts. Simple decorative techniques for garnishes are pickle pans, lemons, frosted cucumbers, grape, mushroom caps, fried parsley and radishes. Different types of example of food garnishes: a radish rose, a chocolate curl, citrus slice on plate, parsley added to plate, carrot flower, radish rose, a flower of cucumbers. Accompaniment and garnishes. Accompaniments. Many dishes have separate accompaniments whose flavors, taste, and color blend or give contrast to the principal dishes. Food items such as sauces, vegetables, salads, and certain meat items, cheese, and breads are accompaniment that make a dish complete. They are added to the bulk of the dish and give greater satisfaction, improve the scientific value, and enhance the taste. For example, poached fish accompanied by Hollandaise sauce. They also help to digest the food, sometimes provide moistness, and give piquancy to the dish. Examples: roast lamb accompanied by mint sauce and fried fish with tartar sauce. Garnishes can be defined as the food item placed around on the top of the main dish for adornment or attractiveness. It is the final addition of the dish. Garnish is not the part of the food but is used to decorate the food or to give a final touch. Garnish can be raw or cooked. In many cases, it may be giving or contrasting flavor to the dish. It helps to improve the color of the principal dish. There are two types of garnishes: simple and composite. Simple garnishes consist of a single element, and the composite garnishes are made up of a number of ingredients varying according to the principal dishes. Parsley can be taken as the most used garnish. Different types of garnishes: croutons, dice or other shapes made from bread, pastry or toast is known as croutons, and these are used on soup. Vegetables cut in various sizes, shaped, round slices, juliennes, dices of spring, printanier vegetables. Profit rolls. Prepared from soup paste, they are miniature cream puffs which may be filled or pastry, cream, chocolate, etc. or used plain. Cereals, different types of cereal like rice and barley are used as a garnish. Seafood, diced or flaked. Pasta, different types of pasta, spaghetti, noodles, other pasta products such as star lettuce, cornet, etc. Poultry, usually small dices or juliennes are used as a poultry. Meats, usually small dices or juliennes. Cream, unsweetened whipped cream or sour cream is used as a garnish. Cheese, cheese balls or grated parmesan served with croutons on one side. The examples of different types of accompaniments: Petite Marmite, it is used with shepherd's Parmesan cheese. Potage Bonne, fruits. Minestrone, it is a soup and used as a garnish. Petite Marmite, shepherd's or Parmesan cheese as a accompaniment. Potage Bonne, fruits. Minestrone soup as a Parmesan cheese. Puree soups, croutons are good with puree soups, and Bourse à la Russe, sour cream, beetroot juice, and bouchis, duck forcemeat, etc. as an accompaniment. French onion soup, slice of dry French bread, Parmesan cheese are good with French onion soups. So these are some examples of accompaniments and garnishes. Accompaniments can be defined as any additional food item that are served with the main dish. Accompaniments are generally flavored food and sauces offered with a specific main dish. Appropriate accompaniment enhances the flavor of dish by providing a balance and contrast to taste. There are various accompaniments that are being served with the different dishes in separate bowls. Accompaniments कुछ उस तरह के फूड्स हैं, एडिशनल फूड्स हैं जो मेन डिश के साथ में सर्व किए जाते हैं। ये उनके साथ में सर्व किए जाते हैं, उससे क्या होता है कि जब हम उन्हें दोनों को ऐड करके खाते हैं तो एक कॉन्ट्रास्ट टेस्ट मिलता है। एकम्पनीमेंट हमेशा फूड के मेन डिश के फ्लेवर को, उनके कॉन्ट्रास्ट टेस्ट को बढ़ाने के लिए यूज होता है। देयर आर वेरियस एकम्पनीमेंट दैट आर बीइंग सर्व्ड विद डिफरेंट डिशेस इन सेपरेट बाउल। तो बहुत सी तरह के एकम्पनीमेंट्स हैं जो किसी खास डिश के साथ सेपरेट बाउल में हम सर्व कर सकते हैं। गार्निश कैन बी डिफाइंड एज ए स्मॉल बिट ऑफ फूड स्टफ यूज्ड एज डेकोरेशन ऑन टॉप ऑफ द मेन डिश टू एनहांस द प्रेजेंटेशन। डिफरेंट वैराइटीज ऑफ फ्रेश क्रीम, वेजिटेबल आइटम, मीट आइटम, sauces, gravies, pasta item, shellfishes, etc. are mainly used for garnishing the dishes of particular choice. Careful selection of garnishes that have flavor, color, and eye appeal are accepted to make the dish attractive. Garnishes can be defined as a small bit of food stuff. Garnishes कुछ भी छोटी सी चीज़ ऐसी हो सकती है जो कि हम मेन डिश जो कंप्लीट हो चुकी है उसके एट ए टॉप पे हम सर्व कर सकें उसे, ताकि उसका जो टेक्सचर है, उसका जो प्रेजेंटेशन है, प्लेटिंग है, वो इंक्रीज हो सके। कुल मिला के उसकी जो ब्यूटी है, उसका प्रेजेंटेशन वो इंक्रीज कर सकें। तो गार्निशेस हम उसकी ब्यूटी को इंक्रीज करने में यूज करते हैं। ये कुछ भी हो सकती है, कुछ फ्रेश क्रीम हो सकती है, कोई हर्ब हो सकता है, वेजिटेबल आइटम्स हो सकते हैं, मीट आइटम्स हो सकते हैं, सॉसेस हो सकते हैं, ग्रेवीज हो सकती हैं, पास्ता आइटम्स हो सकते हैं, शेलफिशेस हो सकते हैं। कुछ भी ऐसा फूड स्टफ जो उस खाने के साथ लॉजिकली जा सकता हो और उसके प्रेजेंटेशन को बढ़ाने का काम कर रहा हो, तो उसे हम गार्निश कहते हैं। तो केयरफुल सिलेक्शन ऑफ गार्निशेस दैट हैव फ्लेवर, कलर एंड आई अपील आर एक्सेप्टेड टू मेक द डिश अट्रैक्टिव। हम अट्रैक्टिव बनाने का काम तो करेंगे, लेकिन साथ ही साथ उसका जो सिलेक्शन है वो केयरफुल होना चाहिए। वो उस खाने के टेस्ट के साथ कॉन्ट्रास्ट कर रही होनी चाहिए। एकदम अलग किस्म की हम गार्निशेस नहीं दे सकते। So main difference between garnishes and accompaniments are accompaniments are the food that goes with the main dish, and while garnishes are the a small bit of food stuff that are used for decoration. Garnishes क्या होते हैं? ये हम किसी मेन डिश के ऊपर ही लगाते हैं, उसको सर्व करते हैं ताकि उसकी ब्यूटी को बढ़ाया जा सके। जहाँ तक while accompaniments क्या होते हैं कि accompaniments हम उस मेन डिश के साथ में अलग से किसी छोटे से बॉल में या किसी प्लेट में अलग से सर्व करते हैं। तो गार्निशेस क्या है, वो फूड के ऊपर ही सर्व होकर जाती हैं, और एकम्पनीमेंट्स क्या है, ये खाने के साथ में जाते हैं। एक ही फूड आइटम गार्निश भी हो सकता है और एकम्पनीमेंट भी हो सकता है। वो डिपेंड करता है कि हम उसको किस तरह से सर्व कर रहे हैं। अगर हम क्रीम की बात करें, क्रीम को अगर हमने किसी भी डिश के ऊपर सर्व कर दिया तो वो एज ए गार्निश जाएगी। वहीं पर अगर हम क्रीम को किसी स्मॉल डिप बॉल में सर्व कर दें उस डिश के साथ में, तो वो क्रीम उस समय एज ए एकम्पनीमेंट जाएगी। The main purpose of garnishing are as follows. First, to make the dish attractive in appearance. Second, to enhance the flavor and appetite. Third, to help improve the color combination with the main dish. गार्निशेस का जो मेन पर्पज़ है वो है डिश को अट्रैक्टिव बनाना, उसके अपीयरेंस को ज़्यादा बेहतर बना देना, साथ ही साथ उसके फ्लेवर और एपेटाइट को बढ़ा देना, साथ ही साथ उसका कुछ कलर कॉम्बिनेशन जो है मेन डिश के साथ उसको बढ़ाया जा सके। तो हम गार्निशेस का जो मेन पर्पज़ है वो है उसके अपीयरेंस को बढ़ाना। वहीं एकम्पनीमेंट्स का क्या यूज है? एकम्पनीमेंट्स का यूज है कि हम उस डिश के टेस्ट को और ज़्यादा बेहतर तरीके से फील कर सकें। कोई भी डिश है, जैसे मान के चलते हैं समोसा है, समोसा के साथ में चटनी सर्व होती है, तो वो एकम्पनीमेंट्स है। वो एकम्पनीमेंट्स उस मेन डिश के टेस्ट को बढ़ाने का काम करेगा। उसके काफ़ी अलग फ़ायदे हैं, जैसे उसका एपेटाइट बढ़ाना। कई बार एकम्पनीमेंट्स होते हैं डाइजेशन के लिए फ़ायदेमंद होते हैं, कई बार उसके टेस्ट को बढ़ाते हैं, कई बार एकम्पनीमेंट के नाम पे ही मेन डिश का नाम भी दिया जाता है। और डेफिनेटली मेन डिश का जो न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू वो भी एकम्पनीमेंट के ऐड होने से बढ़ जाता है। तो एकम्पनीमेंट और गार्निशेस में यही मेन डिफरेंस है। गार्निशेस का मेन मोटो है कि हम उसके अपीयरेंस को अट्रैक्टिव कर सकें। वहीं पे एकम्पनीमेंट का मेन पर्पज़ क्या है कि हम उस खाने के टेस्ट को और ज़्यादा इंक्रीज कर सकें। Garnishes can be divided into two types as simple garnish and compound garnishes or composite garnishes. Simple garnishes consist of single food item, whereas compound garnishes are the combination of more than one food item used in the decoration of a particular dishes. तो गार्निशेस को दो तरीके से बांटा गया. फर्स्ट है सिंपल गार्निशेस. सिंपल गार्निशेस में क्या होता है कि हम किसी भी एक तरह के सिंगल फूड आइटम्स को यूज करते हैं मेन डिश की डेकोरेशन को बढ़ाने के लिए. वहीं पे कंपाउंड गार्निशेस क्या होती है, जहाँ पे हम एक से ज़्यादा फूड आइटम्स को यूज करते हैं उस डेकोरेशन को बनाने के लिए, उस फूड की अपीयरेंस को अट्रैक्टिव बनाने के लिए. तो ये दो तरह के हैं, सिंपल गार्निशेस और कंपाउंड गार्निशेस. सिंपल गार्निशेस में मोस्टली आप हर्ब ले सकते हैं, क्रीम ले सकते हैं. वहीं पे कंपाउंड गार्निशेस क्या होती है, स्पेशली मेड की जाती हैं, जैसे जिसको कार्विंग वगैरह भी कहते हैं. तो ये दो तरह की गार्निशेस हैं. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फूड अकम्पनीमेंट्स एंड देयर गार्निशेस. टोमेटो सूप, क्रूटन्स एंड क्रीम एज गार्निश. तो टोमेटो सूप के साथ क्या गार्निशेस में जाता है, क्रीम जाती है और क्रूटन्स एज एन अकम्पनीमेंट जाते हैं. या हम उसके साथ अगर ऊपर से डाल के दे देंगे तो वो गार्निश हो जाती है, और अगर साथ में रख के देते हैं तो वो अकम्पनीमेंट हो जाता है. तो क्रूटन्स और क्रीम मोस्टली टोमेटो सूप के साथ में आते हैं. मोमोज हैं, मोमोज के साथ क्या आता है, सूप जाते हैं, टोमेटो सॉस जाते हैं, पिकल्स जाते हैं, ये उनके अकम्पनीमेंट्स हैं. पिज्ज़ा पास्ता, पिज्ज़ा पास्ता के साथ क्या टोमेटो सॉस एज एन अकम्पनीमेंट जा सकता है. ग्रेटेड पार्मेसन चीज़ ये एज एन अकम्पनीमेंट भी जाती है, और अगर हम ऊपर से ग्रेट करके डाल दें तो वो एज एन गार्निश भी जाती है. और साथ ही साथ इसके साथ हम कुछ पार्सले वगैरह, ग्रीन लीफ एज एन गार्निश डाल सकते हैं. रोस्ट लैम्ब है, रोस्ट लैम्ब के साथ मिंट सॉस, रोस्ट ग्रेवी, ब्रेड रोल्स और बटर, ये सारे इनके साथ हम एज एन अकम्पनीमेंट देते हैं. रोस्ट लैम्ब के साथ मिंट सॉस हम अकम्पनीमेंट देते हैं. किसी भी रोस्ट आइटम के साथ हमेशा मिंट सॉस ही आता है. रोस्ट आइटम मतलब रोस्टेड हो या फिर तंदूरी आइटम हो, तो उनके साथ हम मिंट सॉस देते हैं. रोस्टेड चिकन के साथ रोस्ट पोटैटो, रोस्ट ग्रेवी, ब्रेड सॉसेस. रोस्टेड पोर्क के साथ में एप्पल सॉस. रोस्टेड डक के साथ में एप्पल सॉस और ऑरेंज सॉस. फ्राइड फिश के साथ टार्टर सॉस, लेमन वेजेस. पुलाव के साथ फ्राइड कैश्यू नट्स एंड ऑनियंस. दाल के साथ होल रेड चिली, कोरिएंडर लीव्स, फ्राइड अनियंस. बर्गर और सैंडविचेस के साथ पोटैटो चिप्स, लेट्यूस, फ्रेंच फ्राइज. आइस टी के साथ में स्लाइस ऑफ लेमन, लेमन वेजेस और मिंट स्प्रिंग. क्रीम सूप के साथ में क्रीम और चॉप पार्सले. ऑयस्टर्स के साथ टोबास्को सॉस, ब्राउन ब्रेड एंड बटर. तंदूरी चिकन के साथ ऑनियन रिंग्स, lemon slices, green salad, mint sauce, etc. So these are some examples of garnishes and accompaniments. These are some tricks for making vegetable garnishes. This video is made for educational purpose only, and the clips are taken from YouTube.